Jesus Christ, do you see how hard it is raining right now? It is so loud. I was literally just looking at a post on Instagram and I just curious this. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Like what? What is this? What is this? Oh my god, it is so hard. Oh nope, screw that, I'm not gonna. Okay. Oh my god, guys. Well, I guess this is gonna be an upload, for sure. Oh my god. Huh. Oh, that is a lot of rain. And you don't see what I'm seeing right now. It is like mist and everything. Oh my god. Jeez. And it just started like a minute ago. I was looking at a post, and the funny thing was, I was looking at a post that was about rain, and that is raining down hard. And then I hear something in the back of my earphones, and I look outside, and this is happening. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh, it got even harder. My glasses are fogged up right now. Holy crap. I'm not going out there. No, screw that, yo. Screw that. Oh my gosh. Like, what is the chances? Huh. Oh. And I thought it was all gone. I thought it was all done for. No. I didn't even. Oh. I am unspeeched. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Holy. No, just give me a minute. I'm going. Oh, I'm getting my shoes on. Do you hear that, guys? Okay, be back in a minute, guys. I'm gonna go get something. Holy crap. Oh, I have a coat on right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I gotta keep this inside in here. Guys, are you seeing this? Holy crap. It was like freaking Hurricane Irma up in here. Jesus, my coat is getting soaked. I'm going back. Oh my god. My thing is so soaked. It is so freaking soaked right now. Holy crap, bro. Look how soaked this is. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. It's getting even harder now. It's getting even longer. Yo. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be a freaking awesome video. Oh my god. It's an actual hurricane. We don't even live any close to a lake. Why is it this bad? I'm really loud on the audio, I think. I don't know. I am in disbelief. And some might say, oh, it's just rain. Jesus, we don't see anything like this. This is the biggest rain of the year. Oh my god. Yo, I'm gonna put this down. Look how wet my coat looks. Wiping off the lens a bit. Hello? Yeah, this just happened. Ha, 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 ha. Oh my god. My dog was sitting right here. He was sitting right here. He must have been freaking, oh my god. Oh. Yeah. I don't want to go up there. Even with the coat, I can't even go up there. This is not possible. Oh, a flash of lightning just happened. Oh dear God, please don't turn off the internet. Look how much rain. It's like, you can't probably see this. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Wait. It's freaking flooding. It is actually flooding. Oh my gosh, it is so loud right now. You can't, if you were right here in person, it is so loud, and rain is just flying everywhere. The winds are very high, and, oh, Lordy Lord. Oh, oh no. Oh my god. No, dude. And it's already 6 minutes into the video. It is mild compared to this. Oh my god, look how much it's flooding. Look at the flood. Look how much water is here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, oh. I am soaked right now. I am so soaked. Ugh. Ugh. The screen is so freaking wet. Oh my god. Okay, I think that ends the recording. Okay, bye.